Welcome to MAPOG, your spatial analysis and visualization tool. Today, we'll explore using the clip and crop tools to select administrative boundaries and prepare data for analysis. Utilize MAPOG's clip and crop tools for efficient selection of administrative boundaries and spatial data preparation. Let's look at an example. Access the analysis tool and kick off the process by clicking on Add Upload. Opt for Add GIS Data, search for the country, and add your administrative boundary data. Click on the crop tool to select a specific region of interest within the data. And after selecting the cropped region, click on the Add button to add the cropped region onto the map analysis tool. Another method for selecting a specific region for study is by utilizing the clip tool, conveniently located within the action button of the added layer. Click on the layer and select the clip tool to define the exact area of interest. We have successfully clipped the region for analysis. Click on the pencil icon to rename the map if desired. Then, click Save Map to apply the changes and keep your data organized. Export the data in different format by clicking on the Action button and then selecting Export Layer. Share your findings with others effortlessly. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to us at support@mapog.com. Explore our range of innovative products for more exciting possibilities.